Maverick Indicators here, and we just got into a trade here of ES, and let me get rid of some of, there we go. Just had to reload that real quick. So why are we in this trade? Well, let me walk you through and delete some drawings there. Good. All right, so why are we in this trade? So first thing you're going to see on this trade is that we have a red background with the Maverick AI Pro, okay? Red background. It is telling us the trend. We don't have to sort through a bunch of indicators. We know what's going on from the background. Immediately, we're bearish, right? Okay, so you got a red background. We are below our Maverick guide. When you're below the Maverick guide, folks, you go short. When you're above it, you go long. And you can watch a lot of videos on our channel about that. Ooh, it's really coming down. I like that. So we're below the Maverick guide. We have a red background. We have all these confidence arrows telling us down, down, down. These are confidence arrows. That's what we call it. Part of this Maverick AI Pro indicator that is coloring your chart. On top of that, you have pink candles. Okay, there's only a handful of colors we use with the Maverick AI Pro. Pink is your highest momentum to the downside candle. All right, so when you see pink, it will most likely sink. And you can see how this thing's just been sinking down and down and down. I have not been in front of my chart, but you can see we broke below the Maverick 200. The Maverick 200 turned red, and you're already below your Maverick guide. And got all these confidence arrows pointing down. And now we have pink candles. And again, I love pink candles when we're going short. Think of it like this. Have you ever looked at a candle and said, I don't know what's going on in the background. I'm just not sure. Like, what is all the other things that go into the creation of this candle, whether it be order flow and volume and like all these things. What if you could just color your candle to the color like you knew, oh gosh, it's pink. What's going on under the hood is a lot of selling. A lot of selling and a lot of momentum and a lot of energy to the downside. And that is the edge of the Maverick AI Pro. Okay, again, these indicators are built by traders and then refined in research and development with artificial intelligence. You got to have an edge. All right, so Maverick AI Pro, again, red background. We're below the Maverick 200. We're below the Maverick guide. We have all these confidence arrows coming down. And we have pink candles. I love pink candles. The second reason we're in this trade is the Maverick Multi-X, this indicator down here. The Maverick Multi-X is, instead of having 6 charts on your screen, instead of having 6 monitors on your desk, imagine if we could just take all 6 time frames and put them into one small indicator at the bottom of your screen. And the way it works is see that T1 through T5 down here? Think of that as trader 1 through trader 5. And think of each trader as having a different style, okay? These are all 5 different traders looking for different things to determine, are we going up or are we going down? And right now, trader 1 through trader 5 on the 1-minute chart is voting unanimously, we're going down. Trader 1 through trader 5 are voting on the 3-minute, down. The 5-minute, down. The 10-minute, down. The 15-minute, down. And there's one holdout, trader number 2, for some reason likes potential reversal on the 30-minute chart. But we just got another confidence arrow. You can see right here. And we just keep sinking on this sucker. Again, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. And I love that. So again, trading is a game of probability. When we have red background, tons of confidence arrows, we're below the Maverick guide, we have pink candles, and then couple that with 5 traders, if you will, we'll use that analogy, 5 traders voting across 6 time frames, all saying we're going down. that's high probability to the downside, right? I wouldn't take a long here. All right. And boy, we are sinking down. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay. So this is how you can stack the probabilities in your favor. Now, the middle panel that you can see right here, see all the word sell? This is, we're going to be releasing this indicator coming up here soon, and members of the Maverick Indicator community. So if you're a monthly subscriber holder or a lifetime member, you're going to get crazy cool access to this indicator. Most likely just like some hefty, crazy discount that everybody else will have to pay a bunch of money for it, but you're going to get some. I don't know. We haven't worked out whatever we're going to do for our members, but we want to thank you for being loyal. So, look at from like 1 o'clock on, a little after 1 o'clock. I mean, you just got sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal, sell signal. I like to keep this indicator small on the 1 minute chart. And when I just keep seeing the word sell, 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 it's just giving me a heads up on the trend, right? On the trend. And this indicator alone, by the way, is fabulous. But when you use it with the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X, it just adds a nice, package together, if you will, that at a glance, I can tell which way the market's going. Look at this push down. And I'm not being greedy here. Well, if you're not used to day trading, maybe you think I am, because I'm looking to do about $1,000 on this trade. It is later in the day. It's 3:15 p.m. East Coast time. So it looks like we could be stalling out a little bit here. So remember, I always tell you guys, I never trade the last minute or the first minute of a 5-minute bar. Last minute and first minute. Look, we are completely solid red on the Maverick Multi-X. We still have a red background, but look at what's happening this first minute of the 5-minute bar. It's coming up. Now, I still have a pink candle, so I have no problem. I'm staying in this sucker, right? I still have a pink candle, but that first and last minute of a 5-minute bar, these are all the stop loss grabs. They're grabbing everybody's stop losses, unless you get a true reversal. But if I was going to get a true reversal, then my Maverick Multi-X, the whole 1 minute and 3 minute would turn solid green, because those charts would be turning first. So right now, how many traders, because this would be a green candle right here. This would be a green candle. How many traders are getting shaken out right now? All their stop losses are getting grabbed, and they got out of Dodge, and they got out of this trade. But because you have your Maverick Multi-X down here showing you pretty much mostly red across 6 different time frames. And by the way, you can make these time frames whatever you want. If you want to make them a 30-minute, 60-minute, 90-minute, 4-hour, it's all customizable. How many traders are getting shaken out right now with a green candle going, oh, that's it. Party's over. We're reversing. We're coming back up. But you have the Maverick AI Pro up and you're going, nah, we still have pink candles. We still have confidence arrows pointing down. We still have a red background. We're still below the Maverick guide, this blue line. Remember, when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. And your Maverick Multi-X is completely stacked red, except for one holdout. Trader 2, for some reason on the 30-minute, likes something it's seeing. So for the upside. But other than that, I mean, heck, 29 out of 30 votes are red. I mean, come on. So again, if you're ever like looking at a candle and you're going, you have anxiety, you have stress, you're not sure what's going to happen next because you just don't know what's under the hood, what's happening in the background with that candle, let the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X tell you, right? Let it tell you. So we've been coming down for a bit here. So this is totally normal for us to stall out. Am I bailing? Am I getting out of this trade? Nope. My Maverick Multi-X is telling me to stay in. My Maverick Multi-X is telling me, we're still very strong to the downside. My Maverick AI Pro, still a red background, still pink candles. And these candles calculate per tick. So if we started to get a reversal here, these candles would turn red and then gray. So, and again, we teach you, there's only 5 colors in the whole Maverick kind of color scheme there, but we teach you how to use it. It's very easy to remember. But if we were getting a true reversal here, we'd start turning colors of candles, which could happen. It could happen. I mean, not a reversal. I think a reversal is highly unlikely right here. I think we're gonna hit our profit target, but I say that because we've been coming down, and it's totally normal for it to kind of consolidate within a range and then continue down. Or again, it could reverse, but my Maverick AI Pro, my Maverick Multi-X will tell me, right? The background color will change. My Maverick Multi-X colors will change. You'll start getting green from left to right, because your 1 minute chart will turn first, then your 3 minute, then your 5, and so on and so forth. All right, so the Maverick Multi-X has not told me that this is a reversal yet. Maverick AI Pro has still red, and totally normal for this to consolidate. But again, right now, how many traders are getting out going, this is a green candle, we're reversing, here we go, green candle, we're going back up, we're completely reversing. And meanwhile, you're like, I got a red background, my Maverick Multi-X is completely red, except for one holdout formula. Like, what's going on under the hood. And here we go, we're back to pink candles, we're back to pushing down. Look at this, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby. So, yeah, we're coming down back quickly. And I just can't stress this enough, because this was the game changer for me, is that, like, if I just had green and red candles on my chart, that last bar would have shaken me out. I would have gotten stopped out. I would have gotten nervous. I would have ejected from the trade. I would have taken like $200 in profit, or gotten nervous and lost that. But I probably would have cut it loose at like 150, 200 bucks as it was coming back up as a green candle. But I know now with my Maverick AI Pro up on the screen what was going on under the hood, and that it was still bearish. All right, so here we go. We're about to hit our profit target. I shouldn't say that, I'm gonna jinx it. But yeah, I mean, it's coming back down. Pink candle. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Come on, baby. There you go. $1,000 bucks. Probably 1,100 bucks right there. Okay. So, and we got another confidence arrow, and it looks like we're gonna just keep pushing down. Okay. So listen, if you want clear vision on your charts, if you want to know what's going on under the hood with every candle, if you want to, take a little stress out of your trades and have 2 indicators on your chart that can tell you the story of what's going on, take out some of the guesswork. We just extended our sale. We're doing 50% off. That's 50. I did not stutter. We got just an overwhelming response. We said, fine, we'll keep the party going for a little while longer, not forever, a little while longer. We're doing 50% off monthly subscriptions and 50% off lifetime subscriptions. And by the way, lifetime licenses on these things, we're about to drop some crazy good free indicators to our lifetime members that are game changers. They will be available for purchase, but for our lifetime members, we're just going to give them to thank them for being so loyal and so awesome. So go read our reviews. Go check out our indicators, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. We'd love to have you. We'd love to help you crush it. MaverickIndicators.com. Hope to talk to you soon.